Officials were focusing their search in the South China Sea, but tonight crews are now looking more than 1,000 miles west in the Indian Ocean. New at 11, News Channel 5's John Cossack spoke to a local attorney who specializes in airline crashes. And John, this is a case that even amazes him.
Yeah, Danita, consider this. Put a Boeing 777 on a football field and it would stretch from the 20-yard line across midfield to the goal line, 80 yards. Its wings would stretch 20 feet over each sideline. So the question, how is this something that's so big can just disappear? The search area for the missing Malaysian Airlines 777 now stretches over 27,000 nautical square miles, a distance greater than Chicago to Atlanta.
In 30 years of practicing, I've never seen an air crash disaster like this.
Jamie Lebovitz is an aviation attorney who has been involved in some of the world's biggest airline crashes. What makes this case unique is the inability to find the plane and the overall quality, he says, of the Malaysian investigation.
One can only imagine how much more difficult that has made this whole tragedy for the families.
Key is even after the loss of radar contact, he said there should have been other transponders transmitting the plane's location.
And the fact that that data no longer was fed by the aircraft into any radar system certainly leads one to suspect that something intentional or nefarious took place.
And while much has been made of the two passengers aboard with fake passports, Lebovitz says that's often an issue of immigration more than terrorism. He said it's the crew he'd like to know more about.
If they looked at the websites that they had been searching for the past weeks or months or years, have they spoken to family members? The Malaysian authorities, as far as I've seen so far, have not revealed any of that information.
And that's because he says there was a similar case in '99 involving an Egypt Air flight that crashed after taking off from New York. When the plane was found, the black boxes revealed it was the direct result of a pilot who, for whatever reason, decided to crash the plane. Now that the U.S. is involved in the search, though, Lebovitz says, watch wherever it is they focus their attention.